Today we're going to be discussing what is the Ytrap chiropractic adjustment, and this is a treatment method we offer here in the office. And what it is, it's a chiropractic adjustment that uses a strap that goes around the back of the head. And it's a different kind of adjusting than typically what most of you have had at the chiropractic office, which we also do too, which is a rotational type of adjustment on the cervical spine. So typically when you go see a chiropractor, you're going to lay face up. They're going to have your head like this, and they're going to kind of do a rotational adjustment of the vertebrae in your neck. You know, you lay on one side, they do both. They do the left, and then they do the right. What the Y strap does is we put the strap underneath the base of your skull, and it's going to be an axial adjustment. And so it's going to adjust the vertebrae. It's going to adjust the vertebrae like this, axially, as opposed to with rotation. And I got that backwards, but and what that can do is if you have a chronic condition in your neck, or you have like degenerative disc disease, or if you have wedging of the vertebrae kind of on top of each other, it'll release the vertebrae up and down or axially, as opposed to with rotation. And that can bring some compression off the joints. It can decompress the spine. And also, if there's any nerve irritation, it can open up some of the spacing where the nerves run out of, and bring down any, radiating pain you might have. So let me kind of go over what it looks like on our assistant here, Victoria. And so first I'll have you lay face up on the table here. And we'll swing your knees off. And we're gonna bring this back. Good. I don't know if you can maybe lift your hair up there for a second. Mm-hmm. All right, thanks. Mm-hmm. And then we'll come back slow. Good. And then lean on back. All right, so this is essentially what it looks like with the setup. We have the patient kind of lock their knees into the table, and we do just a quick little pull-ups to see if there's any discomfort or increase in the pain. And so we'll just kind of stretch it here for a minute or two. Good. Up, down. Good. And then from there we just kind of pull up, and it's a quick little pull up, and typically you're going to hear or feel some popping or adjusting in the neck or upper back, and at times it can even carry down as far as the lower back and the lumbar spine. All right, let's come on up. So that's just a quick explanation of the Y-strap technique that we are offering here in the office. It can be effective for conditions such as neck pain, headaches, nerve pain, muscle soreness.